What up, YouTube? Check it out, y'all. Simple, effective way to clean your shoes, y'all. So you know these soap dispensers, you get them Bath and Bodies or anywhere else, wherever. And so I saved one, and all I did was put a little bit of Dawn dish soap, just about this much, and the rest water, y'all. And if you ever get this is how I keep my little kit here, y'all. So if you ever bought like a shoe cleaner, I bought this shoe cleaner before. Came with this brush, y'all. And this is just a dry microfiber, y'all. So that's why I used to dry them off after. So you can see these shoes right here, they're pretty dirty, y'all. Both of them. So you're gonna see the before and after right here, y'all. So that's gonna be the dirty one. I'm gonna put it off cam. This is the dirty one I'm about to clean.
And Andy doesn't even have to.
So alright, y'all, go ahead and get your soap and just start spraying it. Mine's a little watery. I would like to make it a little more foamy, so what I would do would add some more soap, y'all. The less water, the better, because then your shoe stays dry. You basically just want the soap to clean. That way you don't get your shoe too wet. Say you want to wear them right away, So you can see there. I'm going to just go ahead and do the whole shoe, y'all. Very simple. I might add me some more soap right now. If you want it a little watery, that's fine. A little water is kind of good too, because it gives you that, sometimes you need that water to really also help clean, because your shoe's too dry, like dust, like this one right here, where you do need a little bit of water just to help pick it up. Just scrub it, y'all. I like to get the sole real good right here up front. I just go around. Hit it right here, the back, just hit it like that. Now what you can do now is go ahead and just rinse off your brush just to get a lot of that loose dirt off your brush. And then go ahead and dry it. And I'm going to hit the laces. So I don't really take my laces off, y'all. I just hit them while they're on there. So you can see I'm hitting them. Now we're not going to rinse it with water, y'all. All we're going to do, so that's about clean right there for me. I'm not going to rinse these with water, y'all. I'm going to rinse my brush again so you can have it ready for the next shoe. Now you can do this outside in the sink. Just, clean your mess when you're done. I'm going to go ahead and get my microfiber. And this is what we're going to start. Make sure you get the shoe real well. Get all that soap off. Got to give it a couple passes. Couple little, so you can see the shoe's looking really good, y'all. Go ahead and ball it up and get in the creases. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of wipe off here for now because it's a little dirty. So clean it as you go, Now I can put my shoe down. And just wipe it really well. Get all that soap off. This also helps the drying process. That way your shoe's not wet when you go to put it on, y'all. And there you go, man. So let me show y'all what these two shoes look like. Simple as that, man. This is the dirty one here and the clean one, y'all. So real quick, you can put this shoe on without worrying about it being wet, you know. So now we're gonna do this one. But actually, before I do this one, I'm gonna put me some more soap. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me grab some soap. So right here, y'all, we got is the Dawn dish soap. I do want a little more of a foamy solution, so it won't be so splattery. So I'll just, you know, you work with it. About right there. Put me a little more soap. Now what you're going to want to do is shake it real well. That way that soap will mix. Notice I'm not adding more water because I'm wanting to make it more foamy. So about right there, it's good. So now we're going to see, let me dust off the, let me throw out the dirt. So I'm going to push it here in the toilet. Any little dirt that was in there is clean now. So now let's see. Got a little foam here. See that foam right there? Foam here. Good consistency there. Could be a little more thicker. You'll put a little more soap, but I'm gonna go ahead and just foam the whole shoe. Alright, here we go, y'all. Start with the scrubbing. Got the shoe foamed all the way around. And just go hit the whole shoe, y'all. Halfway through, I'll clean off my my little thing, my brush, just to any little dirt that was on here. It's off, so now I can hit the other side with a clean brush. Yeah, a lot foamier. You can see that foam is real nice. I'm still probably gonna add a little more soap though. Thicken it up just a little bit more. So basically how you want it, you want a little more watery. You're cleaning some real muddy, dirty shoes. You put a little more water so that way the mud is not real dry. You're cleaning dusty shoes. Mild soap, you know. You're barely gonna clean your shoe, just everyday use. A little bit of foam just to get it and wipe it off, you know. Hit that front real good. I'm not putting very much pressure, y'all. Just barely touching it and scrubbing it. Now down here I put a little more pressure to clean the bottom right here, y'all. And then up here I lighten pressure. Little circular motions. That's about it for this one. Go ahead and clean off my brush. And I like to leave this out to dry, y'all. After it's dry, I put it away. So just like that. Put this to the side to dry. Go ahead and wipe off my sink. Rinse off my sink right here, and that's it, you're done. Keep it clean. Now to dry off the shoe. Constantly turning the microfiber cloth around to make sure you're soaking up all the soap and water. This one is a little more soapy, so it also helps if you have a second microfiber cloth, just to kind of. But if you turn it around back and forth, and you can see that shoe as I'm wiping it right here in your face, y'all. This is coming clean. Go ahead and kind of hit these little laces. get your hand in there, hit that tongue. This one is a little more soapy. I don't think I have to really add any more soap here. But the shoe came clean. If anything, it's even cleaner than the other one. They're both clean. So there you go, like that. Go ahead and show y'all what this one looks like. If you want, you could hit the bottoms. I mean, I don't really hit the bottoms. Maybe if you're gonna put them on the shelf for a while, you could hit the bottom. But I mean, if you're gonna go right back outside, ain't no point to really hit the bottom, man. But there you go, y'all. Now these shoes were filthy, and now they're clean, man, ready to wear again. And then this, so if it's not that dirty, just let it dry. But me, I kind of just like to rinse it. If you're gonna clean a multiple shoes, you could use the same rag, but I like to just rinse it. You can see all the soap coming out, and that's good. That way it won't be so soapy for the next time. Like a brand new rag, you know. Hang it up to dry, and that's it, man. So you can see all that dirty soap, dirty water coming out of there. A good little rinse. If it's really dirty, you could put some more soap and clean it, but about right there is good enough for me, man. Squeeze out all the water so it dries faster. And if you really wanted to, you could dry another shoe with this same one, because these don't hold very much water, y'all. Just make sure you squeeze it out. And that's about it right there. So that's my little kit, man. Real simple, man. Dawn dish soap. So let me show you the kicks. They stay clean, y'all. Dawn dish soap. A little foaming dispenser. And my rag, I put it up here to dry, y'all. And that's about it, man. We got them kicks cleaned up, ready to go. These are them all black, triple blacks, Air Maxes, y'all. These are my everyday casual shoes if I feel like wearing shoes. Not, I'll be wearing these Texas Crocs, man. But alrighty, man, I'm out here. Peace. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Laters. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Hey, comment if y'all need any tips or helpful suggestions. I'm here for y'all. Peace. Another little tip, y'all, that I was going to show y'all. But if y'all got like powder, shoe powder, foot powder, put some in there, y'all. Shake it down. Freshen them up. Brand new pair of shoes every time. Laters, man. Catch you on the next one. Peace.